Really? Okay. So what we do, shall we do the tricky questions in Heron's formula or we will move to some other chapter?
Ma'am, now I am in house, ma'am. Now we move to the next chapter, ma'am. We will
Next
see.
chapter.
Yes, ma'am. We will see numericals in school, ma'am.
Numericals. Okay. Wait, I'll share my screen. Which topic you would like to see? That one we will discuss. Okay. Yeah, once again. I hope you could see, all could see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What topic you would like to see? Yes, guys. Or shall we go in orders or yes, yes.
Ma'am, areas of parallelograms and triangles.
Okay, sure. Page number 1. Okay, sure. Definitely. Page number 179. But here it won't be like that, I guess. That be different. Linear equations into variable. Which chapter is it? Chapter number? Could you please tell me?
Ma'am, I think 8th chapter, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See, guys, one thing you remember, you have to work out each and every sum. Then only you will be very clear and confident of everything. Okay. Next. Oh, God. Okay. Page number 78. Okay. Quadrilaterals. Okay. So before going to this, we will discuss something, then we'll come back to this. Okay.
Ma'am,
yes.
We see that, ma'am.
We have seen that basics, right? Shall we straight away move to sums? Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, we finished the chapter, ma'am.
Okay, then. Oh, okay. Then what else you want to see?
Areas
areas.
of parallelogram.
Areas and that is which chapter? You said only 8th chapter, right? Areas of parallelograms. That is which chapter? You have book, right? See the book and tell me, because here the page number and the book numbers are not matching. I have to, here it is, 9th chapter. Yes, fine. Okay, areas of parallelograms and triangles. Okay. So what concept you should know? Okay, one by one, you see? Okay. So before going to see this, I'll teach some basics, then we'll come back on this, okay? Okay, areas of parallelograms and triangles. Some properties you should know. In a parallelogram, if you draw a diagonal, what diagonal does, you know? It divides two congruent triangles. Okay. So diagonal divides a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Then what does it mean? Anybody? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Diagonal divides a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. What does it mean?
Ma'am, the both triangles have same measurements, ma'am.
What do you mean by congruent?
It is exact measurement on both.
Exactly.
axes.
See, a diagonal, whether AC or BD, if you make AC or BD, it will be both are equal. See, both are congruent. That means, which implies area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ADC. Okay, if two triangles are congruent, their areas are equal. Okay, then there is a line. This is one concept you should know. The second concept, there is a line. Okay, there are two parallel lines. You keep there are two parallel lines. Okay, then there is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD is the parallelogram. And L1 and L2 are parallel lines. L1 is parallel. This symbol denotes parallel to L2. And there is a triangle with the same base. There is a triangle with the same base. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And okay, I name different. Already D is given. I name it as E. Okay. The area of the C here, if you see, there is a triangle and a parallelogram, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In triangle DCE and parallelogram ABCD, the bases are matching, isn't it? DC, the bases are equal. You can give that way. The bases are equal. Same, isn't it?
Yes.
Base of both the figures are equal. And what else you see? They lie in the same parallels, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
They lie in the same parallels. Then, so which implies area of triangle DCA is half of the area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, this is a concept. See, if a triangle and a parallelogram having a same base and lie on the same parallels, then area of a triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. Okay, that you should know. This is one concept. Okay, make a note of it. I'll tell you other concepts.
Yes, ma'am.
Put date, write the topic, and make a note of this. This is parallelogram. Instead of writing the word parallelogram, I have drawn this. Okay. Copied?
No, ma'am. Last line.
Okay, fine. Take your time. Guys, can you understand my handwriting?
Yes.
Thank you.
Finish.
Okay. Next.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, dear. See, this is, you can say in another way. This is third concept. There are two parallel lines. It's not actually working. I don't know. Yeah, it's working. Thank you. Again, there are two parallel lines. L1, L2. There is a triangle. Okay, there is a parallelogram. AB, CD, and there is another triangle. P, Q, R, such that AB is equal to QR. The same concept in the previous concept, the bases are matching. CD is a base of the parallelogram as well as base of the triangle, but they are here, they are separate, but the base measures are equal, isn't it? So
Yes.
what is given? L1 is parallel to L2, and in parallelogram ABCD and triangle PQR, AB is equal to QR. The bases are equal, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Bases are equal. Then again, you can say the same concept. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so they may be lie on the same line or they may be separate. Never bother about it. If they lie on the idea is they lie on the same parallels and equal bases. That's it. Then area of the triangle must be half of area of the parallelogram. Okay, this you should know. This is third concept, and fourth concept. Fourth concept. There are two parallel lines. L1 is parallel to L2, and there is a triangle ABC, and there is another triangle Okay. So what is given in the sum? L1 is parallel to L2, and in triangle ABC and triangle PBC, BC is common, isn't it? So which
Yes, ma'am.
implies area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBC. So two triangles, what you conclude? Two triangles having same base lie in the same parallel, then the areas are equal. Okay. This is another concept. Make a note of it.
Yes, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. So there is one more last concept, similar to fourth concept, but a bit different. So fifth one, two parallels. There is one triangle. ABC and another triangle. PQR. So what is given? So here it is mentioned these two are equal. So L1 is parallel to L2 in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. The bases are equal. BC is equal to QR. So which implies area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. So the base, they lie on the same line or separate bases. If they are equal and lie on the same parallels, then the areas are equal. Okay, guys? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Make a note of this. That's it. We will go to some.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. So only
Finish,
there are,
ma'am.
okay. Okay. Now tell me what are the concepts we discussed? Seshatri, you tell me what concept we discussed.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all the concepts, ma'am.
No, only two concepts. You say two concepts. Tamil Shelvan two concepts and Imran another one concept. That way
Okay.
say. Okay. You tell me any two concepts.
In first concept, there will be a parallelogram.
Yes, ma'am.
The diagonal divides the parallelogram. It divides
Mm.
into two congruent triangles, ma'am.
Mm.
In second concept, there is a parallel line that is L, we name as L1 and L2.
Mm.
In the triangle, the base CD is common, ma'am.
Mm.
It divides a parallelogram AB. CD is a parallelogram. In the base parallelogram, there is a one edge of the triangle as we formed, ma'am. So in this case, the base of both the figures are equal in a edges, ma'am. So this area is also equal, ma'am.
See, you mean second concept.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it?
Half of the parallelograms, the triangle is
area
equal,
of the triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. Okay. Okay. If the bases are equal and they lie on the same parallel, area of the triangle is equal to half of the area of the parallelogram. Okay. There are two conditions. One condition, they lie on the same line, same parallels. Second condition, the bases are matching. Then area of the triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. Okay. Tamil Chelvan, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
In the two parallel line, L1 and L2 is the parallel line, and the ABC is a triangle, and P is the triangle, ma'am.
No, dear. See, the third concept is there is a parallel line, set of a pair of lines. Okay, pair of parallel lines. L1, L2 or parallel lines. In that, there is a parallelogram and there is a triangle. Okay, in that what is given, their bases are equal in measure. AB is equal to QR. Bases are equal. Then area of the triangle is half of the parallelogram. That's it. Exactly. Okay. Okay then. Yeah,
And
tell me. Yes. So, okay, 4 and 5, Imran. Yes, Imran. These are all two.
Ma'am, fourth is the parallel line, ma'am.
You can say in
in
Tamil.
ABC.
See, guys, if you are comfortable with English, you can speak in English. Or you want to say in Tamil, yes, no problem. I just want you should understand properly. That's it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Imran. Go ahead.
Ma'am, angle ABC and angle PBC, two are common, ma'am. Ma'am, the question is asked the two angle ABC equal to angle PAC, ma'am. They are considered, ma'am.
Seshatri, Imran is right?
No, ma'am.
He's wrong. Tell me actually what is the concept?
Ma'am, there are two triangles in a parallel line, ma'am. So ABC is a triangle, PBC is a triangle, ma'am. There is a constant one is PC only, ma'am. The area of triangle ABC equal to the area of triangle BBC.
That's it. Very good. See, there are two. One is the lines are parallel, and there are two triangles, and two triangles are having equal base, common base. Then their areas are equal. That's it. Okay. This is a concept. Okay. Okay, Imran. Tell me fifth concept.
Ma'am, they have two parallel line in two triangle, ma'am. BC and QR bases are common, ma'am.
Equal, not common. Common is fourth case. Common. BC is common to both the triangles. But fifth case, the measures of BC is equal to QR. They are not common. Okay?
Ma'am. L1 parallel to L2, ma'am. Area of triangle is angle ABC or area of triangle PQR, ma'am.
Why, when? See, two triangles lie in the same parallel, having same base, then areas are equal. Amava, adavudhu, rendu triangle, ஒரே parallel line la lie ஆயிருக்கு. அதோட ரெண்டு பேஸும் ஈக்குவல்னா அதோட ஏரியாஸ் ஈக்குவல். அவ்வளவுதான். Okay? Got clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will move to sums using this concept. அதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு concept, I would like to say another concept. I missed that concept. What is the concept? This is the last one. Again, there are two parallel lines. Or a parallelogram. There is a parallelogram. AB, CD is a parallelogram. இன்னொரு parallelogram இருக்கு. PQ, AB, PQ is another parallelogram. இப்போ இதை பார்த்தோம்னா line 1 is parallel to line 2. And if you see in parallelogram ABCD and parallelogram ABPQ, AB is common, isn't it? Both are having AB common. So which implies area of ABCD is equal to area of ABPQ. So what I'm coming to say, என்ன சொல்ல வரேன், ஒரு parallel in between parallel, two parallelograms are lying having same base, then areas are equal. You got it, guys? புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? That's it. Make a note of it. Yes. This is also, you can say in different way. அது சொல்றேன் நான். That is also, I'll give a note of it. There are two parallels. And there is one parallelogram.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
What is a doubt? Tell me.
Ma'am, the two parallelograms are formed in the same base, ma'am. But it will be formed in the separate basements. It will be not equal in area, ma'am.
Separate, yeah, that is what I'm drawing. Another one. See, that is also I'm drawing now. See, ஆனா என்ன condition? The base should be equal. அவ்வளவுதான். Then the areas are equal. Same parallel. So I'm writing another parallelogram. PQ RS, but the bases are equal. They are equal in measure. See L1, L2. See L1 is parallel to L2 and N, AB, CD and PQ RS. AB is equal to PQ. அப்படி இருந்தா ரெண்டும் வந்து lie on the same parallels and bases are matching, then areas are equal. Got it? If bases are different, they are not equal. The areas are not equal. The bases should be matching and lie on the same parallel. Then only the areas are equal. Now you got clear with your doubt? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
அவ்வளவுதான். Make a note of it. இது ரெண்டையும் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. The figures are very, very important. You must draw the figure. Then only you will understand. Otherwise, you don't get it.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Next, we will see some sums. And one more concept I would like to discuss. See, what is it? Actually, what is, there is a parallelogram. Okay, there is a parallelogram. What is area of a parallelogram? What's the formula? Yes, guys, what's the formula to find?
Opposite sides are equal.
I'm asking area formula to find area of a parallelogram. What's the formula to find area of a parallelogram?
Half into H1 into H2, ma'am.
BH, that's it. Base into height. Base into height. This is the formula. Okay, if you take this as base, the base if you take this as base, the corresponding height in the parallel side perpendicular distance, this should be taken as height. Okay, so if you take this as base, this சரி நான் இதுதான் வந்து பேஸா எடுத்துக்கணுமா? ஏன் வந்து இப்போ I name it as ABCD. ஏன் வந்து நான் CD தான் I want to take base. ஏன் நான் வந்து ஏபிய பேஸ் எடுத்துக்க கூடாதா? ஏன் நான் ஏடிய பேஸ் எடுத்துக்க கூடாதா? பிசிய பேஸ்? Yes, you can take anything as a base. If you take AB as base, it is also same. AB times, you can write area is equal to AB times height, or area is equal to CD times H. ஏன்னா ABயும் CDயும் equal தான் இல்லையா? So you can take. இல்ல, I want to take BC as base. If you want to take BC as base, then the corresponding height should be taken. The perpendicular height should be taken. அப்ப இததான் வந்து நீங்க height எடுத்துக்கணும். புரியுதா? So if you want to take BC as base, the corresponding height should be taken. Or else if you want to AD as base, yes, you can take the corresponding height. Got it, guys? புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, make a note of it.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, okay then. Next.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Yeah. We will see sums now. Okay, what is given in the sum? So, in a parallelogram ABCD, immediately what should you do? You have to draw a parallelogram. Okay, immediately you should draw a parallelogram. Parallelogram, and it is given, name is given, so you're supposed to follow that name. ABCD. Okay. Then AB is 8 centimeter. And the altitudes, what do you mean by altitudes? Yes, guys, what do you mean by altitudes?
Ma'am, the opposite line is called.
Altitudes means height. The altitudes, altitudes corresponding to sides AB and AD are 4 and 5 centimeter respectively. AB corresponding altitude to AB is this perpendicular height. This is 4 centimeter, and for AD, the perpendicular height. The perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. It is given in the sum. Okay, find AD. AD is what? That is a question. Okay, solution. I told you, right? Solution. What is area? Area of a parallelogram is what?
Base into height.
Base into height.
Base into
Okay,
height.
if I keep AB as base, if I keep AB as
Base
base,
into height.
height is what? Height is what? If I keep AB as base and height is what? See the figure.
4
and tell
into
me.
5.
4.
4 into 5.
4 into 5.
4,
Who
4,
said
4, ma'am. 4, ma'am.
4. That's it. Base is different. Base is AB and height is 4, isn't it? Okay, if I keep AD as base, then what is height? Sorry? I can't hear you.
Ma'am, 5.
Very good. See, if you keep AB as base, height is 4. If you keep AD as base, height is 5. So both are areas. So both should be equal, isn't it? So you
Yes.
can compare AB times 4 is equal to AD times 5. AB, you know, that is 8. 8 into 4 is equal to AD into 5. We don't know AD, isn't it? So how do you write? AD is equal to 8 times 4 divided by 5. That is equal to 32 divided by 5. That is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Okay, you got it, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Make a note of it. We will move to next sum. See, if a sum is given, first point, you should picturize the sum. If you picturize, you will have a better, very good understanding. Okay. If you understand the sum properly, then solution is very, very easy. That's it.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Then. Okay, what is given? Oh, figure is given. So I'll take the figure. If the figure is given, you can use a figure. Otherwise, you have to draw it yourself. Okay. Okay. Now, see, ABCD is a quadrilateral. BD is one of its diagonals shown in the figure. Prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram and also find its area. Okay. What's the idea? Tell me. How do you prove ABCD is a parallelogram?
Often
Ma'am, the opposite sides are equal, ma'am. We prove that, ma'am.
Opposite sides are equal, it is given. How do, see, using area concept, how do you prove it? See, if you see, I told you already that diagonal makes two congruent triangles, isn't it? So, area of two triangles is equal to area of one parallelogram, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you can say this way. Okay, you can write this way. Solution. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to 2 times area of triangle BCD. BCD, this is a concept, isn't it? You just apply the concept. Okay, see, you don't think that you don't want to think too much. We will one by one, we will find it out. Okay, see, you consider this as a triangle. This is also a triangle. You consider this as a triangle and this is a triangle. Okay, separately. Okay, now both are equal bases, same height. So you can write area of quadrilateral. Don't write because we have to prove it's a parallelogram. We don't know whether it is a parallelogram or not, isn't it? So just let it be. Area of quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Area of, what is area of triangle? Half BH. Base is what? 2.5. Height is 4 centimeters. Similarly, here also base is 2.5. Height is 4 centimeter. If you simplify, what it comes? What it comes? If you multiply 5, 5 plus 5, this is 5 and this is also 5. 5 plus 5, 10 centimeter square it comes. Okay, then what you do? Otherwise, you can prove it. This is okay. But how do, no, not this way. I'll tell you. Two congruent triangles, right? Okay, you can prove this other way. Okay, then. See, I'll do this way. Area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is what? Half times AB times BD. Times BD. So half times AB is 2.5, BD is 4. That is equal to 5 centimeter square. And area of BCD that is equal to half times CD into BD, that is equal to half times 2.5 into 4, that is also 5 centimeters. Okay, so which implies areas are equal. So you can say area of ABD is equal to area of BCD. So which implies, இதனால நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தெரிய வருது? ABCD must be a parallelogram. That's it. Okay, that's it. You can make a note of it. Also find its area. Area of parallelogram is what? What is area of
Base into
parallelogram?
height, ma'am.
Already we found two triangles area. Just to add it. That's it. Is equal to 5 plus 5. That is equal to 10 centimeters square. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, you can prove by congruency criteria also. See, this is 90 degree. Okay. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is common. And this is also common. This is equal. So by side angle side, isn't it? You can prove that way also. Okay. You can write other way. In triangle ABD and triangle CDB, angle D is equal to 90 degree and BD is equal to 4 centimeter and it is common, isn't it? And what? AB is equal to CD, that is 2.5. It is given. So by what criteria? Tell me guys, by what criteria? Yes.
Ma'am, SAS.
Very good. By SAS, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Yes. This way also you can prove. Yes, make a note of it, guys. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to Imran? Hmm?
Ma'am, finished.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay. 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 So what is given in the sum? Show that line joining the midpoint of a pair of opposite sides of a parallelogram divides into two equal parallelograms. Okay, there is a parallelogram. There is a parallelogram. Let I name the parallelogram as ABCD. Okay, so let this is E be the midpoint. As such, ED is equal to EA, and I draw a parallel line through this. And EF. So as such, these two measures up equal. Okay. So E is a midpoint of AD and F is a midpoint of BC. Then what you have to prove? The line EF divides two equal parallelograms. You have to prove two equal parallelograms. So how do we prove it? Okay, let's see. Now, if you see, we write a quadrilateral. We are not very sure about it, isn't it? But you know that these two are parallel, you know, and these two lines are parallel, that you know. Okay. How do write the steps? That matters a lot. Solution. Okay. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So in that, what you know, AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD, isn't it? By property. Similarly, AD is parallel to BC and AD is equal to what? AD is equal to BC, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, AD is equal to BC, isn't it? See,
Yes.
dear. Yes. Okay. Then let E and F be the midpoints. Points of AD and BC. Okay. Draw EF. Okay. Now, how do you say? So, as E is a midpoint, DE equals EA. The reason is E is a midpoint. Midpoint, isn't it? Similarly, CF is equal to FB. The reason is F is a midpoint. So, which implies EF must be parallel to AB and parallel to CD. So, see, if the line joining midpoints, they must be parallel to each other. Otherwise, you can say, you can draw the diagonal. How do you say? Okay, you can prove it other way also. I'll prove that way. Wait. You can draw one diagonal, any diagonal, either AC or whatever. Okay, I draw AC. AC. Okay. Draw diagonal AC. Now, if you see, we know that, okay, but I don't want to confuse you much. We make it simple, okay? I don't want to confuse you much. So if this is enough, this is enough, you can, which implies EF is parallel to AB and parallel to CD. That is fine. And you know that what you can say, as it is a AD is equal to BC. So this divided by 2, you can write what? DE, and you can write CF, isn't it? Or else, and that is also, okay, I don't want to confuse you much. So DE is equal to CF, isn't it? Divided by 2, DE is equal to CF and EA is equal to FB. So which implies AB, FE and EF, CD or equal parallelograms. That's it. You can write this way. Make a note of it. Guys, can you understand? This is no need of drawing this diagonal is no need. Okay, I don't want to confuse you much. You leave it. Okay, make a note of it. See, guys, in this kind of sums, there is no calculations. Only the step it matters. You have to write the steps. Okay. Once copied, let me know.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay. Next, what we will say. Any different sum? Okay, we will see some different.
Ma'am, fifth sum, ma'am.
Which one, ma? Fifth sum.
Yes,
Fifth or
ma'am.
sixth? Fifth or sixth?
Fifth,
Fifth.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. We will see. Okay. Show that median of a triangle divides into two triangles of equal areas. Tell me what is median? Guys, tell me what is median? There is a triangle. Okay. So what is given? There is a triangle ABC.
ABC.
Okay. Let ABC be the triangle. Okay. Then what is median? Anybody? The word is given, right? Median, a median. What is median? Tell me.
A diagonal is formed by any one vertex, ma'am.
Median is a line. Median is a line which joins one vertex to opposite side midpoint. Okay, opposite side midpoint. I name that midpoint as D. Then BD is equal to CD. So this AD is called median. Okay. So how many medians can be drawn? Tell me. So we can draw 3 medians. See, this way you can draw one median. This is another way. Okay. The point of intersections of median is what? This point is what? What is the name of this point? Do you know?
Centroid, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Good. Okay. Now I just fix with one median. I don't want to complicate the figure. Okay. One median is enough. And okay. Let AD be the median. Median. So which implies BD is equal to CD because D is midpoint, isn't it? D is midpoint. Okay, what you want to prove? You want to prove two triangles of equal areas. So to prove area of ABD is equal to area of ADC. How come? Okay, first we will prove area of A. First we find area of ABD. How do you find? First you have to draw. I draw differently so that you will have a better understanding. I don't want to take this triangle. Wait, once again. Okay, now, okay, now I find area of triangle ADC, area of triangle ADC, ADC and area of triangle ADC means BDC, it should be BDC, isn't it? I made mistake. Area of triangle ADC and area of triangle BDC. That is what you want to prove. So this triangle is equal to this triangle's area. That is what you want to prove. Okay. Okay. Now, area of triangle ADC. This is what? AD as half BH, you know. Okay. Half into base is AD. I take AD as base. Height. What is height? How do you take height? Guys, I told you height should be from opposite vertex to the perpendicular distance should be taken as height, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is h. So AD times h divided by 2. Okay, now come to the other triangle. Area of triangle BDC. What is it again? Half BH. And what is B here? I take B as BD, base as BD. And H you can take same H. For this triangle also, the perpendicular height is H, isn't it? The same H. From opposite vertex to the base, the perpendicular height H, isn't it? So now you can write, instead of BD, you can write AD, isn't it? Guys, because AD is equal to BD, isn't it? So AD times H by 2. I name this as 1 and this as 2. From 1 and 2, area of triangle ADC is equal to area of triangle BDC. Hence proved. Okay, guys, make a note of it. That's it. I'll show it in GeoGebra. You will have a better understanding. Huh? Okay, first you copy it down, then I'll show you.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, all have completed, right?
No, ma'am. I didn't.
Okay, okay, yeah, okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, wait a second. Okay. Okay. Now, if you see ABC is a triangle, isn't it? In this CD is the midpoint, correct? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I change the color. So the green color is the median, isn't it? Okay. Now, what I do, I want to find the area. Okay, how do I find the area? Let me check. This is one area. Okay, this is another color. I changed this color, different. Okay. Okay. Now I find the area. Let's see. See, area of CAD, it has come. It's 9. Okay, let it be here. It is. Okay, then this one. Now you see both are equal, isn't it? Okay,
Yes,
both are
ma'am.
equal, but I'll tell you how to calculate height. Okay, now the height should be calculated. See, so this should be kept as height. Okay, see, I'll do the calculation once again. Okay, this. Okay, this is okay, and I want to measure this distance also. Okay. This is 3. Okay. This is 3 and this is also 3. Okay. Now I calculate the height separately. If you see for triangle ADC, half BH, isn't it? Half into B is what? 3, H is 6. Now if you simplify, 9, isn't it? Then triangle DBC. Again, half BH, half into B into H. You see?
Answer 9, ma'am.
9. See, both are matching, isn't it, guys? Now you
Yes,
got
ma'am.
clear with the
ma'am.
height? Huh? Yes,
ma'am.
guys? Now you see?
Yes, ma'am.
And the height. Okay, guys, time is up. Okay, we will see in next class. Do try other sums. And if you have any doubts, you don't know how to solve it, please let me know in the next class. We will solve. Okay? Bye-bye. See you then.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.